arms up the ceiling, palms facing each other, feet, knees, same line, slow cycling, and small. I'm not doing definitely big, foot, knee, all hip line. 4, 3, 2, hold, reverse, 5, 4, 3, 2, holding both feet, tap on the floor, up, hold, tap again, up, hold, breathe in, tap, up, last one, tap, up, hold, cycle again, 5, 4, 3, upper body still stable, holding, reverse, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold again, both feet, tap forward, up again. 10 score, try to keep lower back flat. Tap again, not easy, I know, but that's the point. Then you will engage core. Last one, up holding, hug your knees, rock pelvis. Arms again up the ceiling. In double knee fold, right leg up the ceiling. Right leg still stable, left foot, toe tap, up hold, right leg, ankle flex lower, point up. Sorry, my voice gone. Left one, toe tap, up, right ankle flex, lower, and lift. Left one, point tap, up, right ankle flex, lower, and up. Left again, tap, up, right flex, lift up, last one, up, right one, down, all the way up, bend your knees. Left leg up the ceiling. If you cannot do double single knee fold, put that foot on the floor. One leg at a time you can use. Now right foot, toe tap, up hold, left ankle, lower, point up, right foot, tap, lift, left, down, and up, right tap, up, left, down, and up, right, up, left, down, up, right tap, lift, left, down, and up. Last one, tap, up, left, down, and up. Bend your knees, rock your pelvis.